Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Express to edit photos. First, open the Adobe Express application on your device or through a web browser. Then, start a new project and upload the photo you wish to edit directly from your computer or phone. Once your image is in the workspace, simply click on it to activate the photo editing panel and reveal all available tools. Now, let's dive into basic adjustments. You can easily enhance your photo's lighting and color by using the intuitive sliders for brightness, contrast, and saturation. Adobe Express also allows you to crop your images to various preset dimensions or custom sizes, perfect for social media. Additionally, you can sharpen details or apply a subtle blur to achieve a specific visual style. Moving on to more creative enhancements, Adobe Express offers powerful features to transform your photos. You can effortlessly remove backgrounds with a single click, isolating your subject for new designs. Explore a wide range of filters and color effects to instantly change your photo's mood or style. You can also add text, shapes, and other graphic elements to personalize your image further. Finally, once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to save and share it. Adobe Express allows you to download your edited photo in several popular formats, including PNG for transparency, JPG for web use, and PDF for print. You can also share your designs directly to various social media channels with just a few clicks, making it super convenient to showcase your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.